It's heating up in the Atlantic. We have a full tropics breakdown where two areas to watch are designated. This first start off with our area to watch near the coastline. This is 95L. You can see it live on satellite here. Not looking too healthy as it's still trying to organize, but just getting convection right there in our last frame just of late. So it might be starting to get organized now. Good news is that this storm is forecasted to move northeast after it forms into a tropical depression, tropical storm, and away from the United States coastline. Looking at future models for strength, looks like it's going to inch up into tropical storm strength, maybe strong tropical storm, but eventually die out in the middle of the Atlantic. Let's head out to the other one at the east for the main development zone. We have the Euro ensemble models here. We can see generally where it's thinking of taking the storm. We have lots of different options. This is why we have such a large area to watch. You can see wide swath. Some options bringing it south, some options bringing it right into the Atlantic, so we have to keep an eye on it. Looking at the American ensemble models for a different opinion, you can see still starting off a storm in the same kind of region, bringing it westward for a little bit of time, and then some models depicting it going north into the Atlantic into nowhere, and some models bringing it out west, which we have to be a little bit careful of because we have them being stronger. Now, why is this happening? The American models are really forecasting two high pressures that are kind of linking above our storms. That's a block ahead of the storm. So keeping the storm south, directing it westward towards the United States. As we look to the European model, they open the door up between two high pressures with that blue low pressure that will basically pull up the storm into the north away from the United States. Let's hope the European model happens, but we'll keep an eye out. Again, this is a great time to get your hurricane preparedness kit ready and prepared for the upcoming season. Again, we are now rapidly approaching peak season where we're going to have lots of stuff happening at once. Stay tuned for more hurricane and weather updates from Rainy Day Weather as we have a rapidly developing situation today.